Hey everyone, my name is Anamika Sukla and I am from MP Madhya Pradesh and welcome back to day 3 of our shadowing practice. If you haven't watched the previous videos yet, then go and check out day 1 and day 2 now. They will help you a lot and make today's practice easier. And remember, learning English is just like building a habit. You don't need to be perfect, only you need to practice a little every day. I believe in you and I know you can do this. So today, speak with confidence, speak with energy, and don't be afraid of mistakes. Now, let's begin day 3 shadowing practice and repeat after me. I'm ready to learn. I'm ready to learn. I'm ready to learn. I speak with confidence. I speak with confidence. I speak with confidence. I try my best every day. I try my best every day. I try my best every day. I can speak English well. I can speak English well. I can speak English well. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. Great job. First 5 sentences done. Keep going. I am learning new words. I'm learning new words. I'm learning new words. I speak without fear. I speak without fear. I speak without fear. I grow a little every day. I grow a little every day. I grow a little every day. I enjoy practicing English. I enjoy practicing English. I enjoy practicing English. I am getting better. I am getting better. I am getting better. Amazing. 10 sentences is complete. You are doing really well. I listen and repeat. I listen and repeat. I listen and repeat. I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of myself. I speak slowly and clearly. I speak slowly and clearly. I speak slowly and clearly. I'm improving every day. I'm improving every day. I'm improving every day. Awesome! That's 15 sentences complete. Keep up the great energy. I trust my voice. I trust my voice. I trust my voice. I'm confident today. I'm confident today. I'm confident today. I stay positive. I stay positive. I stay positive. I never give up. I never give up. I never give up. Excellent. All 20 easy sentences are done. Great work. You did an amazing job today. Every easy sentences you repeated is building your fluency and confidence. And remember, progress comes from daily practice. And today you showed great dedication. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep signing. If this practice helped you, tell me in the comments and I will meet you next video even more powerful sentences. So, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.